morning, everyone, especially to our esteemed visitors, parents filled with pride, competent educators, and above all, the amazing graduates, movers, and completers of the school year 2025-2026. The elementary school graduation ceremony is open to you. I am Gina Guillermo.
And I'm RJP Manuel. We are thrilled to be your host on this historic occasion as we get together to honor the accomplishments and say goodbye to our recent graduates.
Let us pause to acknowledge the significance of this day before moving on. The experience of primary school has been one of learning, development, and making a call of memories. We celebrate the diligence, tenacity, and commitment of our students today as they begin a new chapter in their life.
Indeed, this is a day for joy, introspection, and eagerness. So let us begin this magnificent ceremony. And now, the processional march. Let us welcome the graduates, movers, and completers with their proud parents.
To be followed by the stakeholders, Board of Trustees, SPTA officials, barangay officials, municipal officials, and the DepEd officials.
Let us also welcome the pillars of this institution, the faculty and staff of Assam Christian School Incorporated, together with the honored guests.
Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished guests and visitors. At this point, we request everyone to please remain standing for the doxology to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Teacher Grace Santa Maria, a grade 3 pupil. Advisor.
graduation day is the celebration of the harvest of this crop. Today is indeed a day that is full of joy, the day about pride and accomplishments. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the commencement exercises 2026 of Lasam Christian School Incorporated with the theme, Filipino graduates proposed to lead with competence and character.
To formally welcome us all to this graduation, moving up, and completion ceremony, may we invite Chloe Lei A. Tumamaw and Althea Kate C. Tamano, candidate for graduation and completion. Let's give them a round of applause.
Sa ating kagalang-galang na panauhing pandangal, sa ating Board of Trustees, SPTA officials, punong guro, at mga dedikadong guro, sa mga magulang, at higit sa lahat, sa aking kapwa magsisipagtapos, isang mapagpala at masayang umaga sa lahat. Ngayong araw, hindi lamang tayo narito para magsuot ng toga at tumanggap ng diploma. Narito tayo dahil sa wakas, ang bawat gabing puyat sa pahina ng librong binasa at bawat pagsubok na hindi natatapos ay nagbunga na. Sa ating mga magulang at guro, ang tagumpay na ito ay hindi lamang sa amin, kundi para sa inyo rin. Kayo ang nagsilbing aming angkla sa gitna ng unos. Ang pagtatapos ay hindi dulo ng ating paglalakbay. Sabi nga nila, the future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams. Muli, maligayang pagtatapos at sama-sama nating ipagdiwang ang bunga ng ating pagsisikap at simula ng ating bagong yugto. Huwag tayong matakot mangarap ng malaki. Pagbati sa ating lahat, maraming salamat po.
Sa aming panauhing pandangal, mahal namin punong gulo, mga board of trustees, mga gulo, minamahal naming mga magulang. Kapwa ko mag-aaral, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ngayong araw na ito ay inyong masasaksihan ng pagdiriwang ng aming moving up sa kindergarten. Ako po sa Althea Kate Tamano ay nagagalak sa inyong pagdalo at sana'y masiyahan po kayo. Maraming salamat po.
And now, the most significant moment in every graduation ceremony has come. May we call on Teacher Christine A. Beldua, a Grade 6 advisor, and Teacher Eileen D. Agribot, Kindergarten advisor, to present the graduates, movers, and completers, to be followed by the certification of graduates, movers, and completers by our school principal, Ma'am Villeros G. Aquino, with the acceptance and confirmation on behalf of the school division superintendent, Dr. Reynante Z. Caligiran. The honor will be done by Sir Oscar M. Domingo, Principal 1 of Batalan Elementary School. Let's give them a round of applause.
To our dear Principal, Villeros G. Aquino, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation and completion for school year 2025-2026. The candidates for graduation, of whom are 3 male and 1 female, a total of 4 grade 6 graduating pupils. The movers are composed of 1 boy and 3 girls. And for kindergarten completers, there are 4 boys and 4 girls, a total of 8 kindergarten completers. I hereby petition the office of the school principal to certify the completion of the requirements of these candidates, ma'am.
As the school principal, after careful scrutiny of the requirements submitted in my office, I have found that these learners have completed the requirements for graduation and completion. I therefore certify that these 8 completers, 4 movers, and 4 candidates for graduation have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education.
By the authority vested in me as the official representative of our school division superintendent, Dr. Reynante Z. Caligiran, of SDO Cagayan, and having been presented by the class advisor of Kinder and Grade 6, and duly certified by our school principal, Ma'am Vicky Aquino, that you have satisfactorily completed the basic requirements prescribed by the basic education curriculum of the Department of Education, I now accept and confirm you elementary completers and movers and graduates of Lasang Christian School Incorporated for school year 2025-2026. Congratulations mga anak at sa inyong mga lucky parents.